So here's how to delete WhatsApp group chat. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch your very end so you don't skip any important steps. First, you will need to go to your WhatsApp account. Once you are logged into your WhatsApp account, now here you have to select the group chat that you want to delete. After selecting your group chat, now here as you can see you will not be able to view any option to delete group chat. However, you will view the option to exit group. You will not be able to delete WhatsApp group chats until you exit it. Once you exit the WhatsApp group, now you will be successfully able to delete your WhatsApp chat group, but without leaving your group. You will not be able to delete WhatsApp group chats. You can simply hide your WhatsApp chat group that you want to avoid, or you can simply mute that group notifications. Sometime we will get annoyed with too many notifications put on our WhatsApp, so we want to simply leave the group or delete the chat. So it's a better idea to mute the notifications for a while. So that's how to delete WhatsApp group chats.